You are standing at a digital crossroads with $300 burning a hole in your pocket and two very different pieces of software screaming for your attention. It is the classic showdown between a specialized surgeon and a Swiss Army knife. Everyone in the editing world is taking sides. They are shouting over which one deserves your hard-earned cash. On one hand, you have Topaz. It is the heavyweight champion of upscaling. On the other, there is DaVinci Resolve. It is a powerhouse that handles a Hollywood color pipeline. Most people think they are choosing between two versions of the same thing. They are completely wrong. These tools are not even doing the same job. Topaz is built for a single mission. It exists to take absolute garbage footage and rebuild it from the ground up. It uses nearly 20 different AI models trained specifically for detail recovery. If you have grainy, low-quality clips from a decade ago, Topaz is the magic wand. It looks at a pixelated mess and tries to figure out what should actually be there. But it comes with a dark side that nobody mentions until you have already paid. When the AI sees a small face in the distance, it gets confused. It starts to hallucinate. It warps human features into something terrifying. Editors call it monster face. It is like something out of a horror movie. One minute you are upscaling a family reunion and the next your cousin looks like a shapeshifter. The smaller the face, the worse it gets. It is pure nightmare fuel. Now look at DaVinci Resolve. It is a full editing suite. The upscaling feature is just one tool buried inside a massive ecosystem. If you give it clean, high-quality footage, it works beautifully. It is fast. It is efficient. But the second you feed it compressed video from the internet, it falls apart. It crumbles under the pressure. It simply cannot handle the lack of data. Here's where the math starts to get painful. Topaz made a massive change in October of 2025. They killed their one-time payment model. Now it costs nearly $300 every single year. You are locked into a subscription forever. You're essentially renting your own ability to fix videos. DaVinci Resolve is still a one-time purchase of about $295. Plus, the core editor is genuinely free. It has no watermark. It never expires. It is the gold standard for value in the entire industry. If you only care about rescuing old, degraded clips, then Topaz is your choice, despite the heavy price tag. If you actually want to edit videos and have a professional workflow, DaVinci wins every single time. Most professionals do not even choose. They just run both because they have to. One fixes the problems the other cannot see. It is about choosing the right tool for the specific disaster on your timeline. Do not listen to the loudest fan base. Look at your footage. If it is high quality but needs a boost, save your money. If it is a pixelated mess from an old flip phone, prepare to pay the subscription tax. Stop chasing the hype and start looking at the results on your screen. You need to know exactly what you are paying for before you hit that buy button. This is about making your work look professional without throwing money into a bottomless pit of monthly fees. Stick to what works for your specific project and keep your budget intact. There is no magic button that fixes everything for free, but knowing where to invest will save you hours of frustration. Stay sharp and look past the marketing.